Welcome to Jet Black Tint, where we take pride in protecting your investment. Today we're showcasing our paint protection film, PPF installation, on a sleek Corvette Stingray 2021 here at our Alameda branch. As the owner of a high-performance vehicle like the Corvette Stingray, you understand the importance of preserving its pristine appearance. That's why our expert technicians meticulously apply our premium PPF, providing an invisible shield against road debris, scratches, and chips, all while maintaining the stunning finish of your vehicle. At Jet Black Tint, we use only the highest quality materials and the latest techniques to ensure a flawless installation every time. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a car show, our PPF gives you peace of mind knowing that your Corvette Stingray is protected from the elements. So why wait? Protect your investment today with Jet Black Tint's paint protection film. Visit our Alameda branch and experience the ultimate in automotive protection.